You're watching CBS News Detroit.
Welcome back. 'Tis the season for gift giving, and with holiday shopping in full swing, we've got legal expert Danielle Mayoras here to show you how to avoid those holiday scams. Okay, Danielle, tell me, what are some of those biggest scams out there?
Unfortunately, there's a lot because these
sure.
scammers are trying to take advantage of the chaos during the holidays. A big one, and I just got this the other day, is a package delivery text where they text you and say they're trying to get some information from you.
Yeah.
They want you to click on a link. If you do, they either get personal information or they install malware on your computer or your phone. So you don't want to do that. There's another one where, I don't know if you've had this happen. The other day I was online doing some early shopping. And there's websites that look like they have incredible deals. Some of these are fake websites, and they actually look just like the regular retailer, but if you look closer, there might be like one letter that's a little different in the landing page on the website. So be careful of those fake websites because they just want to get your credit cards.
Oh, no. Okay, so how do we know if something is a red flag? What stands out most? I know you said with the websites, be very careful because it could be as simple as just one letter.
Exactly. Spelling's definitely a big thing, grammar. So when someone calls you out of the blue and they're asking for information that's not publicly available, even if they say they're from a bank or a financial institution or a retailer, don't give them any personal information. You want to then tell them you can take their number and offer to call back. Go to the actual customer service website, call that number as opposed to giving information to a stranger who calls you because you don't know where they're from.
And should someone do the same thing for a delivery? Because what if you are expecting a delivery and you get that text, but it's not the legitimate text?
It's, well, you know, most of your deliveries you don't just get by text. They usually send you an email. And usually when you're getting something from someone else, you don't have to get a text about that. So if you look closely, some of these may be legitimate, but you need to look at the sender. And you can always contact the company and check as well.
That's very true. Is there any information that we should just never give out?
Yes, there's lots of information that scammers want that you shouldn't give out. Anything with a photo ID, we don't want them to have that. Social security numbers, any passwords, login information. And anytime when someone says, like, I need you to wire me money or you need to act immediately, and there's a timeline, which I know there's a lot of scams going around in that regard where you have to act within a certain number of hours or by the end of the day or you're not going to get your package. Just ignore those, take a breath, be vigilant because chances are those are a scam.
All right, Danielle, that is such great information and so necessary this time of year.
It is. Be careful.
Be careful. Wise words. All right, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Lauren.